welcome to another video. Before we start, I'd want to thank everybody who has taken the time to subscribe to my channel and watch these small little videos I make here. I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, thank you. So today, what I wanted to do is change out the bulbs that come out in with this car. So basically, if you know these cars, the 91s, they came from the factory with halogen bulbs, and they're not that good, especially when you drive in the rain. They're kind of outdated. So after doing some research, I chose to go with the HIDs, the high intensity discharge bulbs, against the LEDs. Yeah, the HIDs are pretty kind of expensive, but yeah, they're good for the quality of light they produce, and they last longer, and yeah, they are really good on the road. So today's setup, we have okay, let's start. We have the marker, some wiring looms, yeah, the different gauges. I wanted to experiment on some types of LEDs that I have lying around, and yeah, there is the big gauge, and basically this is the HID setup. Basically you have the bulb and the transformer and the computer. I'm not sure which is either, but this is the setup. I had gone ahead and tried to hack up and test out, but just to know if they work, and they do work. So I already have one mocked up inside the car. This one I just had to take it out because of the video. And next thing apply is this thing, because we open stuff. And basically these are the LEDs that I had lying around. I originally intended to do some other project with this, but I got somebody got me this, and of which I'm thankful. So I decided to why not, because I'm handling the wiring stuff right now. So, and yeah, I have some adhesive, super glue, and some mounting, some screws. You always need some, because when you're grounding some electrical stuff. And basically this is the halogen setup that came with the car. Halogen, yeah, these are the bulbs that came with the car. They are good, but they're not that efficient, yeah, as I had explained earlier. So you can see the comparison. Yeah, okay, technically this glows like a bright orange, if I have to say, and this one, it's basically white. The light that it's emitted, it's white. So yeah, I guess you'll see after I finish the video. So yeah, so before we start, I wanted to wash the car, because, well, it's been raining, and I'd like to wash it. So I'm going to set you up on the time lapse, and then you have to watch me wash my car. You can see that it's kind of a bit dirty. It's been raining. So yeah, start the time lapse. So I'm basically kind of done. So the next thing we do, we're going to start working on the electrical bits. Let's check. Okay, so I'm going to try and make a loom from these wires that I had lying around. Funny thing, you always have stuff lying around. Yeah, so that I can make attach them to these LEDs, but first I have to make them look a little bit good with this electrical tape. So I'm going to set you down on another time lapse, and so you can see how I'm going to replicate that. Another thing, I think I forgot to mention that you needed electrical tape, and as always, a scalpel. Okay, so cue time lapse. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and run this single LED and this one at the front of the car, right here under the chassis. I don't know if you can see it, like on the tow hook, one right there, and another one on the opposite side, on the same place on the tow hook. Yeah, so those are going to go there, and this one, I need to slice this one up, and one will go right under here, under, like, I don't know, like under there, somewhere there, so that it shines, it lights, it's light down here, and the other one will go on the rear side. I can't go down there. Yeah, on the rear side, and yeah, and I'll do the same for the other side. So basically that is what I'm going to run, and then we'll get to the headlight section. Basically, I'm done with that, and I'm going to demonstrate with that one. So yeah, let's get to it. I basically did I applied the first LED over there on the tow hook, or whatever you call it, and the other one right there. I went ahead and like added some super glue to the adhesive that comes with the LEDs, because there is no way I'm trusting that the glue that came with that. So with that done, I want to try and see where I can mock up the rest of the LEDs on the side. Since I want one here and the other one right there, let me see, I'll give you an update. So an update, I managed to like drop one of the LEDs down there, and the other one for the back is right here under the frame rail. I don't know if you can see it. So that one, and I replicated the other on the other side. So I'm going to start hooking them up, because I'm going to tap the 12 volts that needs to power up the front LEDs from the parking lights, which I do not run. Yeah, because I blacked them out. I think I took some photos on how I blacked out the front lens. Yeah, I should plug a photo right here. Yeah. So yeah, okay, I'm going to use this first one that I kind of hooked up in a really weird way. So yeah, this one, and we're going to run it on this side from those parking lights, and then the other one that is there, gonna use to run from that side of the parking light to that LED. Yeah. So an update, after at least 2 hours of work, I managed to wire up the front LEDs and the driver side and the passenger side LEDs. I'm going to show you that in a minute, but I ran out of wire, so I cannot run the LEDs from on the back side. Let me show you. the ones that were located right here, and the other one. So I'm going to work on that another day. Right now I want to finish up the headlights, and let me show you how the front LEDs and the door LEDs came out. Okay, so let me show you how they look. Please ignore my bad interior. We're gonna work on that another day. So let me switch it up. Okay, so as you can see, this one's light up really well. I don't know if you'll get to see that. So this one light up, and the ones in the front also light up. Oh my god, yeah, those ones light up, and also this one. So I know you can't see them right now, but at night they'll probably pop better. So yeah, let's continue with the light thingy, I guess. Yeah. So the old setup, this is what I used to run, but with the new one, I'm going to run this other HID bulbs. So let me try and mock it up, and then I'll show you a difference between the HIDs and the halogen. Okay. And then irudisha nyuma, and this is how they light up. Yeah, that's how it is. The underglow looks really good. I tried. Okay, so this is that one, and that one. Yeah. So I want to give a massive shout out to my friend here. He helped me, and this guy in the background, he helped. So yeah. So let me see you on the next one.